The DEWALT DCK940D2 20V MAX Lithium Ion 9 Tool Combo Kit contains all the tools you need for all projects. The DCD771 20V MAX Lithium Ion 1/2 inch compact drill driver delivers 300 unit watts out (UWO) of power ability, completing a wide range of applications. The DCF885 20V MAX Lithium Ion 1/4 inch impact driver features 3 LED lights with a 20-second delay to provide visibility without shadows. The DCS381 20V MAX Lithium Ion Reciprocating Saw with keyless blade clamp allows for quick blade change without touching blade or reciprocating shaft, and the DCS393 20V MAX Lithium Ion Circular Saw with 6.5 inches carbide blade can cut 2x4 feet at a 45 degrees angle in a single pass. The DCS355 20V MAX Lithium Ion Oscillating Tool QUICK-CHANGE Accessory System allows blades and attachments to be changed quickly without wrenches. The DCL040 20V MAX Lithium Ion LED work light delivers 110 lumens of light output. The DCG412 20V MAX Lithium Ion 4.5 inches grinder 7000 RPM motor provides high power for cutting and grinding applications. The DCR006 20V MAX Bluetooth Jobsite speaker allows you to stream music wireless from your smartphone or tablet. And finally, the DCD740 20V MAX Lithium Ion 3/8 inch right angle drill provides dual speed ranges, 0-650 over 0-2000 RPM for increased user flexibility for a wide range of applications. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. DCD771 20V MAX 1/2 inch drill driver and DCF885 20V MAX impact driver. Number 2. DCS381 20V MAX Lith Recip Saw, and DCS393 20V MAX Lith Circular Saw. Number 3. DCS355 20V MAX Lith Oscillating Tool and DCL040 20V MAX Lith LED Work Light. Number 4. DCG412 20V MAX Lith 4.5 inches grinder, DCR006 20V MAX Lith Bluetooth speaker, and DCD740 20V MAX Lith 3/8 inch right angle drill. Number 5. Includes 2 DCB203 20V MAXXR batteries, 2.0 Ah. Number 6. 20V MAX 1/2 inch compact drill driver. Lightweight design with a high-performance motor that delivers 300 unit watts of power out. Number 7. 20V MAX 1/4 inch impact driver, provides up to 1400 lbs of maximum torque and delivers up to 2800 RPM and 3200 IPM for fast, efficient work in a range of fastening applications. Number 8. 20V MAX Compact Jobsite Blower. Features a 3-speed design that offers versatility for a range of jobs, while its compact profile makes it perfect for use in tight spots. Number 9. 20V MAXXR Oscillating Multi-Tool. Designed with brushless motor that delivers up to 57% more runtime over brushed. Number 10. 20V MAX Circular Saw. Features a powerful 5150 RPM motor that delivers power and speed to make the most demanding cuts with ease. Number 11. Jobsite Bluetooth speaker. Gives users the option to listen to music from their mobile phone or another Bluetooth-compatible device wirelessly. Number 12. 20V MAX Reciprocating Saw. Features a 4-position blade clamp that allows for flush cutting and increased positional versatility with tool-free blade changes. Number 13. 20V MAX 4.5 inches grinder. Features an 8000 RPM motor that provides high power for cutting and grinding applications with a quick change wheel release that allows for tool-free wheel changes. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.